What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur. So I want to give you another video. This one, I want to give you 5 ways to make money with apps from your smartphone. So if you are always carrying around your phone, if you are always on it, always using it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button because that just tells me that this video is going to help you out. So if you have been looking for ways to make money online, comment down below and just say yes. That is it. Okay, let's jump into the video. So the first thing that I want to tell you is there's only one of these actual apps that I've ever heard much about from a personal friend or relative. Okay, all these other ones are things that I pulled up from people online that they say they work, they've made money, and so on. Okay, I just want to put that out there. If you want to test it out, or if you have tried one of these apps, please comment in the comment section down below and let me know you've tried it. So the first one right here is called Viggle. Okay, now this is one I've heard a lot of great things about from people online. And what you can do is you watch live, you can see right here, watch live TV, enjoy streaming, get rewards. Okay, here is a little bit about it. Okay, you can do Viggle Live, where you get actual real-time engagement with the show that you're watching. Okay, so you can take quizzes, polls, trivia, all this stuff, and all the time, as you're doing this, you're getting some rewards, and they're starting to accrue. You're getting perk points is what they call them. Okay, so there's quests, there's streaks. I think the streaks are for people that if you go into like multiple episodes, or you go into you come on to the app every single day or things like that. Okay, just a streak so that you keep on coming back. Sweepstakes and contests. Okay, win prizes, trips, exclusive experiences. Okay, and then you got the TV show app. Now this is one that I've never had somebody related to me or a friend, somebody close to me, have actually tried this. So if you have tried this, let me know in the comment section down below. There is one, I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, so just bear with me. Here's another one. This is called My Achievement. You can see it right up here, or Achievement. Now this one right here, you earn cash for health related activities. This is things like walking, okay, eating certain meals, sleeping right. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff. I think they talk about down here. Connect to an app. Okay, you can connect to any one of these apps. So if you have something on your wrist, such as a Jawbone, a Fitbit, my Fitbit, whatever it is, you can do that. Redeem your points for actual cash. So far, we paid out over $500,000 to our members, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. Earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Okay, the nice thing is they send it to your PayPal. Okay, most people have a PayPal account, so because of that, it makes it so easy to get your money, and that is called Achievement, or you can go to myachievement.com. Don't you just hate it when you're on your phone, okay, and you got to keep swiping up, swiping left, swiping right, putting in your password, all that stuff to get it unlocked? Well, it does take time and you're not earning any money. This one right here is called Slide Joy. You can see it up here. This has been around for a while. It's something I recommended last year as well. And so you get lock screen rewards. So what happens? So if you slide left to get more info about the card, it shows you just different cards based on kind of who you are, your activities, your I think it says maybe somewhere. So maybe you like shopping or fashion or gaming. It shows you stuff based on your relevant to you. Okay, so and what you can do is you can swipe left, slide left to get more info about that card, maybe buy something, slide up to see a different card, or slide right to go to your home screen, get right out of it. Okay, and this whole time when it shows you this, every single time you swipe one direction or the other, you make some money. Okay, it's not gonna be a lot, but just think how many times do you pull your phone out of your pocket, pull it out of your purse, pull it out of your bra or wherever you have it. Okay, it doesn't matter. Maybe you have it on a necklace. I don't know, but you pull it out from somewhere and you unlock it. How many times do you do that? Just think how much money you could be making if they're paying you to do this. Okay, so the next one. This one is called Cash Pirate. Now, this one and the next one are kind of the same things. Okay, but this one's called Cash Pirate. You earn money in gift cards. Now, here's what I want you to understand, because I actually have a 13-year-old cousin that uses this exact one, this Cash Pirate thing. Okay, now here's what he did. He ended up making $370 some last month, in the month of February, because what he did was he got this, and he got it because get rewarded for trying free apps. He absolutely loves apps. Okay, He has this on his mom's phone, he has this on his phone, and he also has it on his iPad. What he does is he just tries out a bunch of apps. But the kicker, where he made the majority of his money, is he told a bunch of his friends, you should get this app. You need this. You have to do it. Okay, so you download and register. Step 1. Step 2, collect coins. Try free apps, watch videos, or complete surveys. He just tried free apps and get rewarded. But step 4, this is the kicker right here. Earn coins while you are asleep. Refer your friends and you'll get 10% of all their earnings, as well as 5% of all of your friends' earnings. Okay, so that was how he made money. He told his friends exactly what he's doing. Okay, he's a teenager. Teenager tells a friend, hey, this is what I'm doing. I ended up making $5 last week or $5 last month. And teenagers are like, oh, $5. That's pretty good. And so then they go and download it, and then they tell their friends, and then they download it, and it keeps on going. And when that happens, what happens at the top is you're getting 10% of all those earnings. Okay, $380 or whatever it was, just for 1 month, and he was just playing games. That was it. Okay, here's another one. This one is called Gift Panda. It's pretty much the exact same thing, except for this is for discovering apps, shopping, trying, I think, some free apps and stuff. Yeah, getting rewarded for trying free apps, completing surveys, and watching videos. Okay, so this, I think, is the exact same one. My cousin is using this now. Okay, and he says it's okay. He likes Cash Pirate better, but they look like they're the exact same thing. Okay, giftpanda.mobi, cashpirate.mobi, exact same kind of layout of their site, exact same revenue structure. So I'm pretty sure they're the exact same thing, but he's trying this one. He said it's okay, but out of all of them, he liked Cash Pirate the best. Again, he's a teenager. I don't know. Maybe you can believe, maybe you can't. Go try it out. No, I'm not giving you any affiliate links. If you want to go try it, go try it. You can see all the links up here. giftpanda.mobi, cashpirate.mobi, getslidejoy.com/use, myachievement.com, and get.viggle.com. So I just wanted to let you guys know there are ways to make money from your smartphone. So hopefully all these apps, okay, I know there's only 5, but how many apps do you really need to start making money from your phone? I know there's people out there that put 20, 50 different apps on their phone and they think they're making money from all of them. Well, you're probably not. You're probably only making money from a few that are running at the exact same time when you're actually on them. Okay, so just be aware. These ones I wanted to show you because 1, you can make money by tracking your fitness. 2, you can make money by locking your phone, by a phone that you keep locked anyway, so why not do it? Okay. Number 3, you can make money by testing out apps, watching videos, watching live videos, watching a TV show, engaging, interacting, taking quizzes, taking surveys, taking polls. If this is stuff that you're doing on Facebook anyway, why not actually make money from it? That's my whole thinking. So again, if you have your smartphone and it's not making you money, it's costing you money every single month, download one of these apps or find another one. If there's something that I missed, if there's an app that I missed and you have tried it and you absolutely love it, you adore it, and you think it is the holy grail of all make money on my smartphone app, comment down below. Let me know. But do not provide an affiliate link to it. Okay, please don't do that, because for one, my YouTube is going to block that as spam, and so no one's going to see it anyway. So if you do have something that you like, you enjoy, and has made you money, please comment down below. Let me know what that app is. I'll try to include it in the next video I do, whenever that is. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you want more videos on this and how to make money doing other things online. So again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.